It's on.
Hey guys, today I'm doing a video of my dirt bike. And it's a Yamaha 90. I'm going to be doing pretty much jumps, wheelies, and donuts. And today behind the camera and my other friend is Gage and Ethan.
What's up?
He also has a YouTube channel, but he doesn't yet.
Stuffed Animal Crew 38.
If you would like to see it.
Just type that in.
And he also has one name
down in the description.
Yep. And also, he also has a
like and subscribe.
yeah, like and subscribe. And I'll be doing this dirt bike. And he also has another video named Ethan Phillips, and he hasn't put any on yet. Okay, so here's the camera to my camera person.
So
You guys want to hear?
my YouTube channel already is Stuffed Animal Crew 38. That's the one I have the most videos on. Like and subscribe. Ethan Phillips, like Ben Phillips. I don't know if we're related or not. If you know him. Yeah, Ben Phillips, Ethan Phillips.
Alright, here we go. I'm going to start it up.
And then hang on, look.
Nine.
Look at that. Look at that.
It's my gun, Lou. Here we go.
Let's do it!
Hit it, buddies. Hit it. Hit it.
Really?
Hang on, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry about that.
Yeah, but we already had this punch off. Ready?
Yeah, it might take a bit.
See that?
There's the wheelie. Okay, now I'm doing a donut.
Woo!
Check that out. Check it.
Okay, guys, that was fun. It's my first video, actually. And we'll be doing jumps in the next video. Maybe with a dirt bike, maybe with a bike.
First